Hey everybody, it's Neil. I have a cervical neck pillow and I opened it up already so it would expand, and it has expanded. So look at this here. You can kind of see there's a little bit of lines there just for a little bit of texture-y lines. It's got this here. It's going to be, I've used some of these before. The way it kind of works, you can do a variety of ways that you lay. If you lay like this, it'll give you nice support on your back like that. You can turn it around the other way if you want a little bit more support going slightly down. You see that goes slightly down there. It can give you that way there while you're laying on this too. So if you're laying on it, if you happen to lay on your side, it gives you a little bit of space here in your hand as well. So you have different options on this one here. So it's really cool. It's nice. It looks like the cover could be maybe taken off to clean or something. I don't know. I put a pillowcase over it anyways. So I'll never have to clean it. But there we go. So that is it here. It'd be nice and comfortable. It's a kind of a memory foam, but still got a lot of structure to it. So it's going to give you the structure, the support, as well as the comfort. That is soft. The cover is very soft. It's like a silky kind of cover. Very nice. But yeah, I like this here. So you can just do it a different variety of ways depending on what mood you're in or how it wants to go. So I have neck issues, and so I've been looking for something that's going to work with my neck. And I actually used this one before I just threw the pillowcase off. And I got a good night's sleep. So I'm going to say this one here looks like a winner to me. Thumbs up.